So this morning I was jonesing for a hot Italian, and I don't mean a new wife. I wanted a hot, I wanted a hot Italian sub, and I wanted to make it from home. There's a cool little deli. It's an Italian market in Deli on the way home. Dominique's. I always want to call it Frederick's, but that's where the hot Italians are.
Oh my gosh.
Get it?
You're so dumb.
We'll keep
that.
So I got some good stuff. I got some hoagies from them. I kind of like hoagies. I don't know. And then I grabbed all the right meats for a hot Italian and cheeses. So I got some provolone going right here. Man, they cut this stuff fresh, and it's the good stuff. It's really nice and soft. I don't know if you can tell, but it's super soft. And what do I got here? My capa or my capricolo, my gabagool. Look at that.
Oh, man.
Yeah, do you want to try this?
Yeah.
Here, give this a try. Oh, that's good stuff. And relatively reasonably priced. What do you think?
Wow.
Good, yeah? What do you got? Sopressata here, which I'm sure the kids will probably snack on all week. Yeah, look at that.
Nice.
And last but not least, get her open. Some delicious pancetta.
Nice.
Yeah, so
oh my
I'm
goodness.
like super excited to put this on. Oh my gosh, you got to smell that. It smells ridiculous. It doesn't smell like that crap we get.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's the real deal.
Dang.
So I'm going to slice these open here. We can get started on it, actually. I already worked one out. I learned this from Sam, the cooking guy. He cut his on the top and folded it open. That way, when you bake it, you don't get the...
Smart.
Yeah, you like that?
Wow, who knew?
Yeah, but I tested it out real quick just to make sure. Just don't cut it all the way through. Watch, now I'll break this one in half or something. But you just kind of have to work it.
Mm-hmm.
And what we're going to do, since I know Drew probably won't like it, I grabbed two things to go on our sandwich. Easy sandwich to make. I got some hot pepper spread that I'm going to put on just two of these because I don't think Drew will take it. It's not super hot. I already tried it. And I got a giardiniera, which I was going to get a tapenade, like an olive tapenade, and spread it on. But then I saw this, and I thought that's going to kill the sandwich after it comes out of the oven. Just like a nice coat of it right down the center, down the crack.
Okay.
So yeah, I don't really have a whole lot to... No, fuck it. Let's just keep rolling. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's put this on these babies, see how it does. I'm just going to put a nice little layer in here. Try and get it all over as best as I can. Making a real mess, aren't I?
Yeah, you are.
That's what I'm here for. Smell this. You smell?
Oh, wow.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah, it's like peppery, but it's also got that like salty,
sweet,
oily,
kind of vinaigrette smelling.
I'll get that second one in a minute. So for Drew, I think what I'm going to do to make him happy is I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil in this bread, and then I'm just going to salt and pepper that for him. So let me get that third one sauced up, and we'll start meating these babies and throw them in the oven. We're going to have some badass sandwiches soon. That's butter. All right, so you can see we got our spread really nicely in there. I'm going to start layering in the pancetta first, which, by the way...
We tried.
Yeah, after we got it open, it's... I can't even describe how good this is. It tastes nothing like what you get in a package at the grocery store.
Awesome.
A much bigger appreciation now for what you can get at a real deli, which not like we don't go to the deli, but not often enough. We pulled these out. They took maybe 10 minutes in the oven. I threw the giardiniera on these two, left Drew's up to choice. These are the two that have that red pepper on them. Shall we cut into this and see how it is? I want you to try one too. You can do it after mine if you want, or you want to do it first.
No, you do it.
Okay.
It's going to be hard to bite.
Yeah, it's a real sandwich.
Okay.
It's trippy and it's hot.
Insane.
Yeah, it's everything I was craving. The this morning.
Really?
It's, it's rich. It's got a ton of flavor in it.
All
You
right,
ready to
can't
try it?
wait.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, and don't mind the way I look. I've been home with a sick toddler. All right. Oh, man. Okay, ready? Mmm.